I wish the technology was up to have smell-o-vision come through your phone. It's a really hot, sweltery day. Absolutely beautiful for me. But in the air, you can just smell the eucalyptus in the air. It's quite amazing. The cicadas are going off, of course. But yeah, I just thought I'd pop that in. Just mention that. You see over the feral bushes? Not sure if you can. It's probably going thump, thump, thump as I walk. Come back around this way. Yeah, I've just been up the track a bit. And up to see someone give them a hand to move a little bit of furniture around their place. Anyway, I'm just going to enjoy this. You all have fun now.